Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play old-school RuneScape on PC. First, you'll want to download the official game client directly from the Jagex website. Once installed, create a new Jagex account or simply log in if you already have one. Next, you'll design your unique character and choose a name. Finally, complete the tutorial island, which is a fantastic introduction to the game's basic controls and systems, setting you up for your grand adventure. Navigating the world of Gielinor is quite straightforward. You move your character by simply clicking on the ground where you want to go. To adjust your view, hold down the middle mouse button and drag to rotate the camera, giving you a better perspective. The minimap, located in the top right of your screen, is incredibly useful for finding your way around. You'll also use various interface tabs for your inventory, equipment, and other important game functions. Old-school RuneScape offers a rich variety of core gameplay. You can engage in combat by clicking on monsters, using your equipped weapon to fight them. There are 23 unique skills to train, such as woodcutting, mining, and fishing, each offering different ways to progress. Interacting with non-player characters is key for buying and selling items, or for accepting one of the hundreds of quests available, which provide great rewards and expand the game world. The community aspect of old-school RuneScape is a huge part of the fun. You can join a clan chat or a friends chat to easily socialize and team up with other players. Trading items is essential, either through the Grand Exchange, a central marketplace, or directly with other adventurers. There are vast regions to explore, from bustling cities to dangerous wilderness zones. Set your own long-term goals, like achieving a 99 skill level or completing all the challenging quests.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.